guys, this is Christy Fulk with Create with Christy. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. Well, as I promised in my last video, this video is going to show you how to place your Sale-A-Bration and Stampin' Rewards order at my Stampin' Up! Online store. Actually, in the video I said I was just going to show you how to redeem your Sale-A-Bration products, but I thought, oh, we'll go ahead and throw in the Stampin' Rewards too in case you meet that threshold. Well, first off, I want to tell you all the places you can get the links to my online store. You can find it in the video description below. You can also find it on my YouTube homepage. As you can see, this rectangle up here in the top right corner has different links. If you hover over them, that'll tell you what each link is. This one is the one to my website. This one tells you how to earn a $50 shopping spree. This one is to subscribe on Paper Pumpkin, but this one with the S takes you to my online store. It says shop at my Stampin' Up! Store. You click on that, and that will take you directly to the store. And as you can see, my name is up here, Christy Fulk. And if you haven't been to it before, you want to accept these cookies. So go ahead and accept all cookies. Get rid of that. You see my name, Christy Fulk, here at the top. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. I'm going to show you how to get there to my Facebook page. So there's my Facebook page. And by the way, the links to my Facebook page and my website and everything is down below in the video description as well. But when you're at my Facebook page, you just click the Shop Now button here, and that will also take you to the store we just saw a second ago. Then my DBWS, this is the Christy Fulk at StampinUp.net, and you just click Shop Now on the home page, and that will take you directly to my online store. And last but not least is my website. Oh, my pop-up came up. By the way, this is to join my newsletter. You can fill this out and subscribe, and you'll be put on my newsletter, and I always have links to my online store there also. And if you're watching here on YouTube, just go to the video description, and you can find how to the subscribe button to my newsletter there also. So go ahead and get rid of that because I don't need to be subscribed to my newsletter. Okay, there are two different places that you can shop here on my homepage. Down here, you just click Shop, and that'll take you directly to that home page of my online store. Then there's also a shop here in the top. When you hover on that, then a little list comes down, and the top three take you to different places in my store. This one takes you to the Paper Pumpkin site to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, and this one will take you to my catalogs page where you get PDFs of the catalogs. But this one will take you to the home page for all products. This one takes you directly to the mini catalog that's available at that time. So this one will take you to the January to June catalog, and this one will take you to the clearance rack. So let's go ahead and go to the current mini catalog. So I'll click on that, and it takes me directly to the mini catalog. And there my name is up at the top left corner once again. You can scroll down and see all the products that are in the mini. And it will stop. You can click Load More, and that'll give you some more things to look at. Okay, now first let's go ahead and I'll show you how you can navigate through here. You've got Shop Products. You hover on that. A list comes down. Let's say I want to get some paper and packaging. We'll click on that. Come over here. Let's do packaging. We'll do that. And then another list comes down, and we've got boxes. We can click on that. And that takes you to the boxes that are available. Okay, let's go back to the menu. Oh, let's actually look at sales. What's new here is new arrivals in the January-June mini catalog. We can go ahead and go to new arrivals. And it shows different things that are new. And brand new will have the word new at the top. And yes, you can get the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine now. So happy about that. Now, if you click Quick Shop, then you can actually look at a picture and add it to cart. There are no details. But if you want to see the full product details, you can click on that. That'll take you to the main page, and it'll tell you everything that you need to know about the product and what comes with it. So with this, for $60, you don't just get the machine. You get the machine and the plates that you need. It includes a base plate, the mini cutting plates, 2 of those, 1 mini embossing plate, and 1 mini 3D embossing plate. So you get all the plates you need for the machine. Pretty cool. And then we could add that to our cart if we wanted to. But right now, I think I'm just going to shop from the January mini. But I do want to show you the sales and specials. I'm getting ahead of myself. Here we've got Sale-A-Bration. You can either click on this picture, or you can go to the level 1. Let's go to level 1. All of these you can pick free with every $50 you have on your order before shipping and tax. Now you cannot combine orders. Say if you have 2 smaller orders to get to the 50, that doesn't work. You have to do it on 1 order. All of these here, these are so cute. I love that darling donkey. I haven't got to make something with that yet, but I will soon, so be watching out for that. But all of these you get free with a $50 order. So let's say you place a $100 order, then you can pick 2 level 1s if you want to. But let's say, oh, I got a level 1. I want to see what the level 2 ones are. Level 2, you get these free with a $100 order before shipping and tax. And right now, there's a French and English version of a stamp set, a touch and ink. That's a bigger stamp set. That's why it has to be a $100 order to get it free. And then this wonderful bundle. I love this bundle. I love that paper. The DSP is just gorgeous. And you can see that in the video that I posted yesterday for my sweet strawberry card. And I'll put a link to that in the top right corner, and I'll put a link to below in the video description as well. But I just love that. So if with a $100 order before shipping and tax, you can pick that out as your item. Okay, so that's how Sale-A-Bration works. Now I'll show you how to redeem those. So let's go ahead and go to the January to June mini catalog. And we'll scroll down and add some stuff here. Let's say we want these resin hearts. Let's click Quick Shop. Okay, I don't need any details. I can see everything I need, so I'm just going to add to cart. Okay, that's added to cart. And oops, this thing pops down. Sale-A-Bration. For every $50 you spend, choose a free Sale-A-Bration item. So we know that part, but that gives you a little information there. Now, if that does not pop down, don't worry. If you've been on this before, I had to delete my history for it to pop up again because I've been on this site a couple times now. So if it doesn't pop up, don't worry, but that's what happens when you first come on to explain what Sale-A-Bration is all about. Okay, let's scroll down here, find something else. Oh, it's Valentine's is just around the corner. I know we just got done with Christmas, but we need to get going on our Valentine's project. So let's go ahead, and this time I'm going to click on the picture instead of the Quick Shop, and that takes you directly to the page with all the information. Okay, I definitely want to get that, so let's add that to cart. So add that, and you can click to make that go away, but it'll go away eventually. Okay, now we'll keep going. Actually, that takes us, there should have been another thing pop up. I'm not sure why it didn't, but no worries. Sometimes pop-ups don't work right. Could be something happened with my computer. Let's just go to the cart. Oh, now it's telling me it was just a little slow. Congrats, you earned a Sale-A-Bration item. Okay, now we're in the cart. So don't worry if it doesn't pop up right away. It will eventually. I guess sometimes it's a little slow. Okay, it says you have a Sale-A-Bration reward to redeem because we've got the $57.25. So choose your free product. And you notice it says free with $50 purchase, free with $100 purchase. The $100 purchase is gray. That means you didn't qualify for a $100 product, but you do get a free $50. So you add that little plus sign, click on that, and everything shows here, and you add it to your cart. I think you can click on it and see what it looks like. Yeah, that shows you what it looks like, and then you can add it to your cart. Okay, let's go ahead and keep shopping. I want to show you how to get a $100. Let's actually go up to a workshop, a party order with all these wonderful products. It is really easy to do that. Let's find some more bundles here because that'll get us there quicker. Or a suite. Oh, this hydrangea suite is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and click on that. I love how they've got a suite collection. Let's say everything, and I have everything in the suite. I wanted it all, so this is how I got it. You go to the suite and you will get everything pictured here. Here are the pictures. It'll show you there are the papers. There's the bundle you get. There's the pearls you get and the ribbon. That's everything. You just keep clicking on. Oh, yeah, the acetate paper. And there's some projects you can do with it. It's a beautiful suite. Let's say we want all of that. So we're going to add it to the cart. Now, you can buy those things separately, but this will include the 10% bundle price, off bundle price. Okay, where's our cart at? $145.75. We are almost there already. So let's go ahead and shop new products again. Go back to that mini. I love the mini. That's why we're going to keep going back to it. What else do we want to add here? Oh, that punch I said I forgot to get. We'll go ahead and do a quick shop because I know I want to get that. So I'll add to cart. Then we can view our cart. And it's showing that we have $163.75 in our order before the shipping and tax. So we got over that $150 threshold. So if you scroll down to the bottom, it says Stampin' Rewards. This does not pop up until after you get over that $150. It says, oops, you haven't added anything to your Stampin' Rewards. It says this order qualifies for $16.38 in Stampin' Rewards. And then this little one that's in red tells you how much you have left. So say we added something here, then that number would go down. That way you know when you're done spending. And up here at the top is where it says you have Sale-A-Bration rewards to redeem. And you would click and choose that. We'll do that here in a minute because I want to show you how to get to a $300 workshop That way we get that new free stamp set during Sale-A-Bration. So this time, let's go to the bundles because that's going to get us there quicker. So let's go to Bundled Savings, and I want to go to the Stampin' Die bundles. All right, so we've got all these here. Now I want to show you one thing, because we have gotten over the $150 threshold. So we'll click Quick Shop. The one that says Claim Rewards, that's what you click when you're all done placing your order. You want to get your order placed first and then do your rewards. So since I'm wanting to get up to that $300 mark, I'm going to click Add to Cart instead. And that's going to keep adding things to my cart, and my total is going to go up from there. So I'm going to add a few more things, and then I'll speed up the video so you don't have to sit here and watch me do that, and we'll be up to the $300 workshop. Okay, that got me way over. I didn't have to add that last bundle on there. But now we've got the $367. Let's go ahead and get those free Sale-A-Bration items we've got. So we'll click Choose Your Free Product. Oh, the Host Stamp Set pops up there. So you hit the plus sign. Make sure you put that in your cart. There we go. Because they know sometimes people might already have this and they want to place another $300 order and they don't want this anymore. Then it's not going to automatically happen. So make sure that you redeem that and add it to your cart. Okay, so we've got the $300. Everything that's pink now is showing you what you can get. So let's go ahead and let's definitely get a $100 one. Let's get this one here. I love this one. Let's look at some of the $50 ones. Okay, we'll put that Darling Donkey in there. I'm losing track of how many I've got here. So we had the 367, so that gives, I'm not quite there yet. Let's go ahead and get both $100 ones again, because that's still red down here. So that means we can still get one. Let's go ahead and get that one. Okay, we'll go back up to this. Let's do that beautiful paper. I love that paper. Okay, and we'll keep adding. Let's do that one. Now, as you notice, I have redeemed everything I can redeem. You don't have to keep track. Now everything is white. That means you can't, it's not gray anymore. So we'll go ahead and go back to our cart. And you scroll down. And here are the Sale-A-Bration items that have been added to the bottom. Okay. So you know you've got all your Sale-A-Bration. Now we're going to start getting our Stampin' rewards. So let's go back here. Let's do something from the mini catalog again. And we will get, let's say we want this stamp set. We'll do Quick Shop again. Click Claim Rewards. Let's go to View Cart. Scroll down here. Now that is popped up in my Stampin' rewards, and it's still telling me I have $23.04 to go. So we'll keep shopping. And you can go a little over. You can't go a lot over, but you can go a little over. And let's say, find something that's a little over. Oh, here, this kit. Let's go ahead. It's in French, but we'll go ahead and get that. Put on Claim Rewards. View Cart. And now you have 0 Stampin' rewards remaining. So you've got all your order ready to go. The extra has popped up, and that's what your Stampin' rewards total is. Because you selected $53 worth of items. There's only $44 you could spend, and they just figured out how much your subtotal is. And then you can click Checkout and check out like you always do. Okay, that's it. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, just comment below, and I'll get back with you right away. And if you want to be able to see all my videos and not miss any, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon and select all. That way YouTube will notify you every time I do a video. Okay, well, it's time to go, and I hope to see you in the next video. I hope you can come watch me make some more cards, because that'll be the next videos. And please support my channel by giving me a thumbs up, or like I said, commenting below. See you next time. I really do appreciate your business. Thanks for spending some time with me today. Bye.